Hello everyone, welcome to Inausco Digital YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to add social media links on Google My Business. But first of all, we will know why should we add social media links to Google My Business profile. Having social media profile links on Google My Business comes with great benefits. First, a business gets benefits from having a wider audience if it has successfully gathered audience on social media. A large consumer base means that it can ultimately lead to huge number of clients. Having presence on different social media channels will mean an ongoing flow of potential customers and as a result, maximize sales and more profits. Before we proceed further, press the bell icon so that you can get updates on our upcoming videos. Now I will tell you how to add social media profile links to Google My Business. For that, you need to generate a schema and add it to the backends of your website's homepage. You can simply generate the schema using Schema Markup Generator tool. I will mention the link of the tool in the description box below. To generate a schema, open Schema Markup Generator tool and choose Local Business from the drop-down list. Next, you need to fill in the information like local business type, name, image URL, phone, address, latitude, longitude and other asking information. Keep in mind, fill the correct information as shown on your website or GMB profile. After then, select social profiles and choose the social media channels you want to show on your GMB profile. Now, copy the generated schema and paste it at the backend of your website's home somewhere in the body section. And that's it. And within few days, after Google crawlers have successfully analyzed the data, the social media profile links will be visible on your listing. That's all about how to add social media profiles on Google My Business. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.